Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix. Today we're starting a new tutorial. How to use a USB drive on Bush TV UK. Locate the USB port on the back of the TV. Insert your USB storage device into the USB port. If media is present on the USB, it will automatically load. Press OK to view available pictures on the USB device. Press play to start a slideshow. Press back to go to the media browser screen. To listen to music, scroll along and press OK. Use the playback control buttons to pause, stop, fast forward, or rewind the music playback. Press the back button to return back to the USB menu. Scroll along and press OK to view available videos on the USB device. Press OK to start playing the video. Press back to return to the USB media menu. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.